Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can exit the downloading mode on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So if you have happened to boot into this mode and you changed your mind and now you want to get out, a simple way to get out is to press on the volume down key plus the side key at the same time. So press and hold onto both keys simultaneously for 7 seconds, and that will allow you to exit downloading mode. And after you see the phone reboot, then you can press on the side key or the power key to turn on your Galaxy S21 series. So we're just gonna wait for that to show up. Now press on the power key to boot up your device. So that's how you can exit download mode on your Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.